Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install market research using ATTOM Data, complete guide step by step clearly. To install market research using ATTOM Data, start by visiting the official ATTOM Data website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. Verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the Data Products section. Select the type of market research data you need. Review the available datasets and choose the one that suits your requirements. Click on the dataset to view its details and pricing. Proceed to purchase the dataset by following the checkout process. After your purchase, access the My Data section in your locate the purchased dataset and download the files. Unzip the downloaded files to access the data. Open your preferred data analysis tool, such as Excel or a database software. Import the data files into your analysis tool. Familiarize yourself with the data structure and formats. Begin analyzing the data to extract insights for your market research. Utilize charts and graphs to visualize key findings. Save your analysis for future reference and reporting. Regularly revisit and update your study with new data as it becomes available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.